Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix TripAdvisor app not loading. So to fix this issue, you can start by first closing the app and then reopen it. You see, when you open your TripAdvisor app and you find some kind of issue going on with the app, you can just simply swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to completely close it from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next what you can do is reinstalling the app. Just simply delete the existing TripAdvisor app from your device and then go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then re-download it. Now the next what you can do is check for the internet connection. You can just simply switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to ensure a stable connection, as slow internet often causes loading failures. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then find TripAdvisor, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is log out and then log back in. Sign out of your account. Close the app and log back in to refresh your data. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.